backstage, and for me, I think this is going to be a real highlight. I love everything about television. A real BBC broadcast bus from 1963. Come inside. Hello, sir.
Hello, Zoe.
It's really lovely to chat to you. Talk to us about this bus. Where's it been?
Gosh, where to start? It's been everywhere. The BBC made 10 of these, and they were the main fleet scanners, and they did all the major programmes. Little things like Wimbledon every year. The odd thing like the World Cup.
The 1966 World Cup, that famous line, they think it's all over. That will live with me forever.
Now then, is Petke, the referee looks at his watch. Any second now, it will all be over.
My unit, MCR21, were at Wembley for all the England matches. I was on the close-up camera on the main rostrum at Wembley, and I had that shot in my viewfinder, and I was waiting for the director to cut to me as Geoff Hurst went down the pitch. The other cameraman was supposedly on a wide camera, but he had a zoom, and he zoomed in, and he followed it, zooming in, which gave no cut. All the time that Geoff Hurst was going down the pitch, I was screaming, cut to me, cut to me. In my mind, I couldn't say it over talk back, but I was screaming to cut to me.
Some people are on the pitch, they think it's all over. It is now, it's four.
But he didn't. So I've got a DVD of that moment, and my regret will always be, that's my shot after the goal, not before.
One, on bed and then close up the face. Two.
I think it's been a really great experience and I've enjoyed every minute of it.
What I love about this experience is that we're working with professionals that are in the industry or have been working in the industry.
The whole object of this exercise is to help promote the van that I was senior cameraman on in 1964.
And of course the technology that you have nowadays far exceeds what we had available.
Finish with one, in a bit, let's have a bit tighter at the start. Stand by to move, the flag's up, move to your roving position now, hold it steady as you can pull it wider now. Steady. And they're off, and they're off.
Outside MCR21, originally supplied to the BBC in 1963, in need of lots of tender loving care. I'd leave those at deck level. Yeah, past the. Oh, okay. Yeah. At the start of the project, I stood on this very spot and told you about MCR21 and what we were going to do. And here I'd like to show you some of what we've managed to achieve in the intermediate time. It's in the correct colours. We have even recreated the correct 1963 BBC crest.
So it would have gone everywhere, it would have travelled all around the country. It's really seen some things, this bus.
It has. It's as you say,
piece of history.
A piece of history. That's why we're trying to preserve it. We're recording the history of the vehicle, the history of the people who worked in it, the programmes, and most importantly for us, I'm a techie, the technology.
And you're a techie and I'm a TV nerd, so this is a real highlight. Brian, thank you so much for showing us your beautiful bus.
It's been a real pleasure.